If you're a vegetarian and don't have time to cook every day, this paneer meal prep burrito is going to change your routine. It's high in protein, tastes amazing, and you can freeze it up to 3 months. Let's start by cooking the filling. Heat some oil in a pan, add chopped onions, and saute for about a minute. Next, add bell peppers and cook for another minute. Remember, we want the vegetables to stay slightly crunchy, so don't overcook them. Now add chopped paneer and give it a mix. You can also use halloumi cheese over paneer if you prefer. Next, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember, taco seasoning contains salt, so add little at this point. Next, add 1 can of black beans for some starch, protein, and fiber, along with sweet corn for a nice touch of sweetness and crunch. Add your favorite taco seasoning. I'm using my homemade version. I've linked it in the description. Give everything a good mix and cook until just well combined. Then let the filling cool completely. Since we are meal prepping, make sure the filling is dry so the burritos don't turn soggy. Now, to help seal the burritos, mix 2 tablespoons of flour with a little water to make a paste. This works like a glue and keeps the burritos from opening while reheating. Now, let's roll the burritos. Take a tortilla. I'm using my homemade flour tortilla. Start with a layer of cheese. This helps add moisture when reheating. Then add a generous spoon of the filling. Apply the flour paste around the edges. Then roll tightly, tucking everything in as you go. Pay attention to the way I'm rolling. I have also shared a spinach tortilla recipe that works really well too. Links are in the description. The burrito is ready. Once done, wrap each burrito in foil and freeze. They are now ready whenever you need a quick meal. When you are ready to eat, reheat on a pan until warm and slightly crispy. Pair it with your favorite dip. I recommend something high in protein if you want to make it more balanced. This is one of the family's favorite meals, simple, filling, and so convenient. Do give it a try and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.